How to activate citations for your chatbot. Citations are a crucial feature to ensure that your chatbot provides accurate and reliable information. By enabling citations, you can enhance the credibility of your chatbot's responses. Follow these simple steps to activate citations for your chatbot. Step 1. Sign in your CustomGPT account. Step 2. Access project settings. Click on the Project Settings option. Click on Conversation Settings. You'll see an option labeled Citations. Toggle the switch to Enabled to activate citations. Choose Citation Views. You have three options: User-Initiated, Always Show, and Always Hide. Select the preferred option based on your chatbot's design and purpose. User-Initiated will only show citations when the user requests them, while Always Show will display citations automatically. Always Hide will have the citations not showing. Now, click on Save Changes. Congratulations! You've successfully activated citations for your chatbot. With this feature enabled, your chatbot will now provide citations to back up its responses, enhancing its reliability and trustworthiness.